Hey.
Christina.
I'm Kevin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Your house is like very out of place in this city.
Yeah, it's from Tuscany.
It really is.
Yeah, imported.
It's very interesting. Okay, so you guys are literally just moving in.
As of 72 hours, yeah.
Are you guys from Tennessee?
No.
No.
Seemed like a great place to raise a family, and we're at that stage, and here we are. It is the most unique house on the block for sure, and I think that's like 8-inch molding.
Uh-huh.
They're really big into built-in everything. So you got your built-in corner
Oh, wow.
cabinets here. I think that's...
Is that faux paint inside?
Uh-huh. This was actually kind of cool. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. This is one of the things that bothers me the least.
We have to keep it?
No, 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 no.
Oh my gosh, what in the world is going on back there?
Oh.
It's like a checkerboard.
It is a checkerboard.
They actually like painted marble checkerboard into the floor?
It looks airbrushed.
I swear I've seen a lot of stuff. I've never seen that. They actually faux painted a banister rail on the back of the peninsula? What in the world?
Those are large pepper shakers, I think.
Oh, that's what it's supposed to be? Oh my, oh. This is, I mean, even the refrigerator's faux painted? What in the world? This is fascinating. Wow. I've seen hundreds of homes and I have never seen a home like this. What in the world is going on down here?
That's an extra lazy Susan. It's so lazy it doesn't even have a door.
I'm glad that Kevin has a sense of humor about this house because we're gonna need it to get through this renovation.
This is a little bit more than my wife and I are used to. We've flipped houses in the past, and we simply just don't know what to do with it. Definitely someone with Christina's expertise to figure this out for us, because Lordy help us.
Your guy's bedroom.
Yes.
Oh wow, orange marble.
Is there any other?
What in the world is this? Just in case you need to wash your hands in the middle of the night.
The way I describe my house is a half-breed of an Italian restaurant and a craft store your grandmother shops at.
Okay, so what are you guys thinking in here?
I think the initial idea for the whole house is just to have more open space.
Yes.
Where you can breathe, everything's not compartmentalized. Closet space is absolutely important.
Okay.
For my wife, Katie.
Okay.
She loves fashion, she loves clothes, and that is not enough.
For both of you too?
No, no.
Yeah.
No, my clothes are going in a dungeon.
Yeah. So we'll get a bid.
We'll get a bid, yeah.
And then we'll decide how it looks and what exactly you guys want to do. What are your guys' styles? I know, not Tuscan.
We're looking for like more of a modern farmhouse type of look, Carrara marble, like veiny countertops, waterfall, just sleek, nice designs, clean white walls, black lines around the windows, just the opposite of this.
Right, so more of a West Coast look, but more farmhouse vibes.
Absolutely.
Modern
yeah.
farmhouse. It's right up my alley. Now that our new contractor, JB, has opened up the walls and provided a bid, I'm headed over to Kevin and Katie's house to talk about what can be done.
Hello.
Coming in.
Hey, guys.
Hi, it's so nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
To meet you.
In person.
I know. Look around. This is our chaos.
How's it going living here?
I think it speaks for itself.
You guys want to talk about the scope of the work. So here's what I would love to do in here. Remove some of these walls. I would love to take this wall back to this door right here.
Okay.
I think that would make it feel much more open. I would also like to take out this wall as far back as it goes on the pantry, all along here. Again, just open up the space. That way we can do a really large island in the center.
That'd be great.
We like to entertain, so I think that is perfect.
Over here, we could do a large pantry. We could then do the stove with a nice range hood, and then we can carry the uppers and lowers all the way around. We can do a large sink with a huge window facing out to this beautiful view.
Love that.
Continue uppers and lowers all the way down until you run into that wall. And then we could definitely utilize this space over here. We could create a couple more pantries with a large refrigerator in the middle.
Sounds great.
What did the downstairs come in at?
Right about $100,000.
And what was the upstairs?
130.
Yes, we need to talk. We've kind of been going over the numbers, and I think there's gonna be an issue with the renovation. So we really wanna do the downstairs, but upstairs just isn't gonna work out.
Okay.
It's just, we have a certain amount of budget, and I think if we took both projects on, it's just gonna be too much for us at this time, so.
Understandable. I know it is a lot of work. So we can always revisit the upstairs later.
Yes.
Focus on the downstairs.
Yeah.
It needs the most TLC.
Yes.
And then I know you guys are very excited to get rid of all the faux.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we really, I think this is where we're doing the most of our living and entertaining, and I think this is what we really want to focus on, and just
Totally.
being open and bright and beautiful when you walk in.
We started the renovation, and since Kevin has done some flips on his own, he's decided to do some work here himself. Doing work yourself is definitely a great way to save money. It doesn't happen often on my projects, so we'll see how it goes.
Well, Katie and I have been flipping houses for the last 10 years. We really are DIY type of people. But also, why pay someone when you can do it yourself? We can reallocate the money and buy appliances, furniture, and all those other things. So it just kind of made sense.
Kevin and Katie are super cool. She's in fashion, he's in music, so I want to bring over some materials that are super unique to them, completely opposite of what they had going on in that old Tuscan kitchen. Hello?
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, Kevin, do you mind giving me some help?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, let me help you.
Hi. No, we're good now.
You're
it's
good?
okay. No, I'm good. Thank you. There's just. Do you have a table I could put some stuff on?
I can figure that out. Hold, please. Voila.
Oh, okay.
And voila.
Oh, I'll probably make this work. There we go. Okay, so I know, Katie, that you said white cabinets, but I brought a couple options. We can do a pop of color. So we have a black or a medium gray.
So many options.
We have pull handles and countertops.
Oh, those are pretty.
So I think maybe first things first, we figure out cabinets.
I'm torn between doing everything, white, but I also like something maybe a little bit darker also.
Do you like either of these colors?
The darker, the black.
I think so too.
Yeah, darker
Yeah.
the better.
Cool. Is there any countertop in particular that's jumping out at you?
Yeah, I definitely like the more veins. I'm kind of, I think, torn between these two. Maybe this one?
All right, perfect. I think that's really pretty. So now we need to look at pull handles. So there's more bold, larger, or you have a little more classic.
Definitely more sleek.
Okay.
Like, I love this.
Okay, perfect. Now that we have the majority designed, what are we thinking for the flooring?
All right, let me move some of this. I want to see it again.
I mean, this is really, really pretty, and I think it's classic.
Yeah, but it's also safe.
It is, and we're not safe. We definitely.
No, we are not.
Yeah, I think we should do this. I always love that look.
Yeah, I mean, it might be complicated to install, but I think it would look way better.
It's actually not too complicated either. So if these weren't designed like this as boards, then very complicated. Time consuming, expensive, so many cuts, but the fact
Yeah.
that it comes like this, it's pretty easy.
Which way would you lay the floor?
I mean, we could lay it out. Here's this way. My thing is I kind of just feel like it makes it feel longer. Your front door's right here, so you're walking in, and this way is going out.
That way. I like the idea of things being bigger, the room being bigger.
I feel like especially from the front door, was your heart telling you that way?
No, I think, I guess it depends. Like if you're sitting, you're on the couch, like all of that, like depending on where you are in the space, I see that.
I totally hear what you're saying about in the family room area, but also in there you're gonna have a ton of furniture. You probably have, some layered rugs.
True.
And so it kind of gets covered, whereas here, like this is very open.
Yeah, I agree.
When laying flooring in different directions, there's really no right or wrong. It's just personal preference. And when it comes to the chevron, it's gonna be beautiful no matter what, but I love the idea of it flowing outside to that beautiful backyard. Final decision?
Yes.
Final.
Okay, I can't wait to see it. I'll get everything ordered. Okay, so let's talk fireplace. We have some options for the insert. We have this beautiful matte black now, and the flooring looks so nice with the matte black. And I know you guys like black, so we have some black options. This one has a little bit of a thicker white veining, a little bit shinier. This one has some like kind of cool bronze flecks to it. And then this one I feel like is just a really pretty combination of a subtle amount of the white.
I'm not into that one.
This one?
Yeah, it looks like someone spilled some milk.
Okay. Katie, what's your fave?
I think I really love like these two here.
Okay. I think both of these two would be a really good option. I definitely have a favorite of these two, but what do you guys think?
This one for sure.
Me too. This one looks so nice with the matte black and the flooring. It's just like, it really makes this pop, but it also just like feels really subtle. So pretty.
This is so fun and different.
I know.
Isn't it?
It's not our usual color palette, but I love it. I feel like we're more in like a swank New York restaurant as opposed to Franklin, Tennessee. What do you think about this kitchen?
I love it. It's so different and it's so cool.
Such like glam vibes, right?
And this kitchen, if I walked in it, I would say, fun people with exciting personalities live here.
You know who has a pretty exciting personality last night?
Who?
You have some pretty good moves on the dance floor.
Oh, jeez. Well, so did you, sister.
Not quite. So James and I had a lot of fun putting this place together. You guys gave us an incredible palette to work with. Kevin and Katie have been living at their project for the entire renovation and seeing all the progress, but nothing compares to coming through the door for the first time and seeing your house fully put together.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, welcome home.
Oh my God. It's a home, finally.
It is not the same house.
It definitely is not the same house. Walking into this house has been just such a surprise to see everything pulled together, and I'm super excited about it. I love it.
I can't believe how amazing the floor looks. Whoever installed that floor, modern day Picasso.
We went from like an old pizzeria in like North Italia to like a swanky speakeasy in New York.
How you guys decorated it and just everything you did, it does not even seem like the same place. Christina and James did an amazing job with what they put together. Obviously, we did a lot of the work ourselves, so they just made it the next level.
You nailed our style. I don't even know if you knew, like I have this like love bohemian chic.
I pay attention to your wardrobe.
Right?
I love your boots, I love your hat. This project is one of the most unique projects I've ever done, and this one was truly teamwork. Kevin did an amazing job doing so much of the work himself. I love this project. Step on
Finally.
in to the powder bath. I want to see your hat in there. It matches. What's your favorite part? Because I have so many favorite parts in that powder bath.
I'm sorry, I can't have one because it's just everything. Tile is just so cool. I love this pop of pink, but then the green walls and the wallpaper, and then when you're in here and the chandelier, it's beautiful.
It's too classy to do what you're supposed to do in there, so.
No, it's a lipstick room, that's it. It's to be pretty, it's a powder bath.
Yep.
You touch up your makeup, that's it.
Check out your fabulous kitchen.
My God, it looks amazing.
This is not where they used to make the pasta.
No, it is not.
This is crazy, man.
Just the before and after of this room alone, it just is not the same place.
Moving the door from here added so much more space in the kitchen. Now it just feels just like wide open. Turning the island this way allows for so much seating at the bar now.
It just really is the space to entertain, and I can't wait to have family and friends over and be able to just really enjoy. Like, there's enough room to cook, celebrate, and enjoy our amazing space.